The current mood of the hatchback segment in the country seems to be competitive. The segment is flooded and customers are being spoilt for choice. The latest addition to the list of these offerings is the new Ford Figo. While the earlier generation of the hatch was already a good car to drive, the next generation hatch promises to be better. The biggest competition for the Figo will be the Maruti Suzuki Swift. With 16,811 units already sold in the month of September alone, the Swift is one of the best-selling cars in the country and a customer favorite in the segment. Does the new Figo have what it takes to displace the reigning king in the segment? Let's find out. On the outside, both the cars look very different. The exterior design of the Figo is a lot like its elder sibling, the Aspire. The signature Ford nose, horizontal chrome garnish bars in the grille, and swept-back headlamps dominate the front end of the car. The side profile gets a shoulder line that flows under the window. The rear end is marked by wraparound tail lamps and a well-incorporated and sculpted tailgate. In comparison to the Figo, the Swift loses out in the design department. The front of the car is broad and marked by a large bumper. It gets a honeycomb grille, well-incorporated headlamps and set-in fog lamps. The side view is plain except for a recess at the bottom of the doors. And the rear of the car is marked by a rather bloated bumper but neatly incorporated tail lamps. The boot space of the Figo at 257 litres however towers over that of the Swift that stands at only 204 litres. Inside the cabin, the Figo will remind you of, well, every other Ford car, and especially the Aspire. Most details are the same, except that the Figo comes with an all-black interior instead of the dual tone that the Aspire gets. There's a wing-shaped center console, a plain Jane instrument cluster, and silver accents on door handles and the center console also. The Maruti Swift also gets all-black interiors with silver accents accentuating their look. The Swift gets a slightly mellowed-down audio system. Both the cars obviously have the usual functions like aux-in, Bluetooth connectivity, USB and radio, and steering mounted controls in the top variants. While the Figo gives you a lot of storage space, including 1-litre bottle holders, the Swift has ample storage space too. Moving to the back seats, the Figo has a lot of space to offer in comparison to the Swift. Both the cars can accommodate 3 adults comfortably, but the new Ford ends up offering more knee and legroom at the back. Ford offers driver side airbag as standard across all variants in the Figo, and the top variant gets 6 airbags. The top variant of the Maruti Swift gets dual airbags. Both the cars get ABS with EBD. Now let's get to the hearts of the cars. Both the cars come with petrol and diesel motors. The Ford Figo comes with a 1.2-litre manual transmission petrol motor, a 1.5-litre automatic transmission petrol option, and a 1.5-litre diesel manual transmission. The Swift comes with a 1.2-litre petrol and diesel unit. For the purpose of this comparison, we'll talk about the diesel units. The engine of the Figo has a capacity of 1498 cc and a maximum power output of 100 PS and a peak torque of 215 Nm. The Swift's motor has a total capacity of 1248 cc, maximum power output of 75 PS and a peak torque of 190 Nm. In terms of driving, the Ford Figo makes for a peppy drive. It has the ability to pick up from smaller RPMs and overtake slow-moving cars. Even on faster speeds, the car shows remarkable performance. However, The steering is a tad on the heavier side, especially at low speeds, and the motor is on the noisier side as well. The Swift 2 makes for a good drive in the city, and in-traffic maneuvering is made easy. At higher speeds too, the car does not lose confidence. Both the cars have a good suspension setup, therefore broken roads and undulations are not something that need to be worried about. The ARAI tested fuel economy of the Figo is 25.8 km to a litre and that of the Swift is 25.2 km to a litre. The base variants of both the cars differ by about 55,000 rupees, with the Swift costing more, and the top variants by about 12,000 rupees, with the Figo costing more in this case. However, one thing to be considered is that while the Swift has only 3 variants, the Figo comes in 5. So which car wins? Yes, the Swift is a bestseller, and for good reason of course. Yes, it has the Maruti brand value, and yes, it makes for a good city car. But it all comes down to personal preference. The Ford Figo is a great product. It's an all-round package. It looks very smart, it's loaded with features, it's spacious, and the diesel motor is very impressive. It comes at a very competitive price tag also, and most importantly, Ford has redefined safety with the car. So in this comparison, we suggest the new kid on the block, the Ford Figo.